Hello everyone! So a lot of you guys asking me how I came here in Finland as a student. So, ngayon lang po nag-schedule ang ate girl nyo na magka-film ng video because due to my busy schedule at work. So, I arrived here in Finland last January 2021 as a student. So, nakwento ko na yun sa inyo guys, yun sa mini vlog ko which is naka-pin post dito sa TikTok. And then after that one guys, the number one requirement sa Vamia School that time, nung time ko is IELTS. Yan. But now, they change it into Duolingo test. So, eto siya guys. So, mababasa nyo dyan like yung Duolingo test, like the number one requirements. I think the minimum total of the passing is 85. So, I think nag-start siya last year, guys, na yung application ng school is May and December. So, which means, if you're gonna apply in the school in May, you'll be gonna start your studies at January next year. And then, if you'll be gonna apply at December, so you'll be gonna start your school at May or August, I think, that one. Kasi sa time ko guys, nag-apply ako August and then I started my school at January and then it has like application also January and then the school will be starting at August. So after that one guys, na-remember ko no, yung nag-aaral pa ako, sabi ng chef namin nga, when they like, yung natanggap nila lahat ng applicants, it has like 5,000 applicants guys. Kasi hindi lang naman to sa Pinas. Like open siya for everyone. Like sa ibang country, open siya. So after that one, 5,000. And then they need to review that application. I don't know if what exactly like yung ginatinginan nila sa application, no? But 5,000 guys. So, niwala ko sa hindi, down to 50 applicants lang yan. Imagine, 5,000. Tapos yung ma-i-interview lang, 50 people. And then that 50 people, guys, so no, that 50 people, hindi pa yan lahat makukuha talaga. And then from 5,000 people down to 50, and then the 50 after ma-interview, dyan na yan sila magde-decide if sino yung kukunin nila. So, the final na kukunin nila is 25 student lang, guys. So, ayan na yan siya sa catering services and then sa waitering. So, it has like two guys which kung saan nyo gusto, either magwe-waitress kayo or restaurants catering services kayo. So, I picked the catering services that yung luto-luto. So, yan. Imagine guys, 5,000 applicants down to 50 people and then the final is 25. So, grabe. Grabe yung standard dito sa school guys, no? So, imagine 25. So, pray lang talaga na makukuha kasi grabe yung grabe yung sa school ko. So, Vamia. Grabe talaga. Like, no tuition fee, guys. Like, uniform, books, everything, guys. That you don't have to pay even €1 here. So, wala talaga, no? So, swerte-swerte na lang talaga kung sino yung makukuha. As in. But now, sa nabalitaan ko, guys, they will accept only 500 applicants. Kasi nga, nabago na yung sistema nila. So, they will accept only 500 applicants, guys. So, after that 500, pag mismo nasa 501 ka guys, hindi ka na matatanggap. Bali, close na yung application kasi nga 500 lang. Siguro nahihirapan na silang mag-check ng isa-isa sa mga nag-a-apply. So, 500, yun pa rin. Mag-interview sila down to basta yung kukunin lang talaga nila is 25 applicants sa school. And then after that one, if you already like accepted in school, syempre mag-i-email yan sila sa'yo na congratulations, you've been accepted in Vamia as a vocational or waitress ba, kumbaga. So, dyan na yan sila magsisend ng mga need mong gawin like medicals, guys. So, naalala ko sa akin, yung kinuha ko medicals is yung pagka-baby ko, yung vaccination ko, hemoglobin, yung basta ang dami kong in-inject noon, like lahat, as in, di ko na maalala, basta isa sa number one yung sa baby ko, yung vaccination. Doon ako nahirapan guys, kasi ang tagal na noon kasi nalungkat ko, ilang taon na ako, diba? So, ang tagal na. So, after ng medical guys, yung medical pala, hindi mo siya isasubmit dun sa application. Ito, yung isasubmit mo mismo sa application, kung mag-a-apply ka sa school, is the Duolingo, and then like yung TOR mo from school, like elementary, high school, or it doesn't matter guys. Basta maka-submit ka niyan. And then, yan lang naman yung main requirements. But I'll gonna put it here so that you can see and you can read it well. And that medical requirements guys, dito na yan siya isasubmit sa nurse ng school. Either you will be gonna email that one or you have that hard copy. So it depends whether nyo siyang i-email or magdala kayo ng hard copy and dito nyo na siya isubmit personal. Pero I think mas sila pag i-email nyo na lang before the school start. And then after that one guys, no, bago ko makalimutan, you need to have like this apartment here which is the VOAS. VOAS is like the student apartment here in Finland, like here in Vasa in my place. So you need to have that one first. Kasi ano kayo titira dito kung wala kayong apartment, diba? So you need to check that one first guys, and then you need to apply because VOAS is like a lot of many people, as in talaga. Kasi ang dami student dito, so nag-uunahan yan sila guys, like kung sino yung makakuha. And then you need to apply that one pala. Muti ko na makalimutan. So after that one, after the medication, the requirements, something that one guys. So no, dyan, make sure that you have your bank account guys. Ito yung pinaka-importante, bank account. And then dyan mo ilalagay yung show money mo. And then I think 7,000 euro if hindi pa sila nag-change. Or yeah, 7,000 euro times nila lang ng 60. Yun yung show money na dapat need. And then you also need like sponsorship. And then after that one, you need to have like the bank statement, the bank certificate. Yan siya. Yan yung dadalhin mo mismo doon na sa for the visa, doon sa embassy. So pumunta ako doon sa Manila to have my embassy doon sa Makati City yun guys. So I have with me the bank statement, yung lahat talaga ng flow ng bangko ko, kung sino yung pumapasok, sino yung naghulog ng pera ko. Basta at least guys, may laman lang yung pera nyo. At saka, I think mas better no, na hindi nyo siya bigla ang huhulugan ng pera. Kasi, ma-question kayo niyan. So, I think the best is, for example, monthly, maghulog lang kayo ng 50k, 100k, at least mabuo nyo yung I don't know how much is 7,000 euro times yun na lang ng 60, that one. So, bank statement, bank certificate, and then, ano pa ba? Bank statement, bank certificate, yun lang yung importante guys. And then, the rest, dalhin nyo na lang as kung baka may hingin sila, at least mabigay mo, 'di ba? And then also like the sponsor, yan, importante yan kung sponsor. Pero I don't think if until now it's important. At least makita lang nila sa bank mo na you can provide your own here in Finland while studying, guys. So after that one, you will be gonna wait for the result if pasok ka ba sa visa. Kasi nga, di ba, visa is very important talaga dito sa Europe. Hindi ka makakapasok ng Europe without visa. So, after that one, if na okay ka na, and then yan na yung last part guys. And then, book ka na ng ticket mo. Yan, book ka na ng ticket mo going here. But, the number one also important in school guys is huwag kang madedelay sa school. As in, kasi for example, January magsa-start yung school, or August ba? August magsa-start ng school. Before that August, guys, you need to be here in Finland at least man lang para first day of school, present ka na sa kanila. Kasi, na-change na sila. Same sa boyfriend ko. Na-late lang siya, guys. So, hindi na siya nakapasok that time. So, na-move yung school niya by the next school year na naman. So, 'di ba? Ang sayang yung months pero at least dito na kayo. So, yun guys. So, yun lang yung mga importante dito sa VAMIA School, guys. The Duolingo test, you need to take that one first. Duolingo after that one, after yung matanggap sa school, you need to have that medicals. And then after medicals, guys, i-gather nyo yan. Huwag nyo yung kalimutan yung mga TOR nyo, ganyan, submit yan siya. Isa yan sa isubmit doon sa school, kasama ng Duolingo. After that one, after na medications nyo, magbubuk kayo for embassy, and after embassy, mag-wait na lang kayo sa visa nyo, and then, yeah, flight nyo na, papunta dito, guys. So, I'm gonna put it here, like, the link sa page ng school. So, bye! Thank you!